मैनचेस्टर में हैं हम और मैनचेस्टर में जाहिर सी बात है एक सवाल जो हर कोई पूछ रहा है इस समय पे वो वैभव सूर्यवंशी के डेब्यू के इर्द गिर्द पूछ रहा है कि वैभव सूर्यवंशी को मौका कब मिलेगा। आयरलैंड दौरा पूरा हुआ, दोनों मुकाबले हुए, डेब्यू कैप्स का इंतज़ार ही रह गया। फिर शुरुआत होती है डरहम से, डरहम में भी इंतज़ार जो है वो इंतज़ार बनकर रह गया और वहाँ तो मुकाबला भी पूरा नहीं हो पाया। अब सवाल है कि क्या इस ऐतिहासिक मैदान में, ऐतिहासिक क्यों, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली एक हिस्ट्री तो ये है ही कि सचिन तेंदुलकर ने अपना पहला सैकड़ा इसी मैदान पर जड़ा था, तो क्या ये मैदान उस ऐतिहासिक क्षण का साक्षी हो सकता है जहां पर भारत की तरफ से खेलने वाले वैभव सूर्यवंशी यंगेस्ट प्लेयर होंगे, डेब्यू प्लेयर होंगे। इसको लेकर के हमने सिर्फ यहाँ से नहीं बल्कि रिपोर्ट इंडिया से भी तैयार की है और इंडिया से तैयार की गई रिपोर्ट में अगर आप साफ तौर पर देखोगे तो लोग अलग अलग जगह क्या कह रहे हैं, भारत के अलग अलग हिस्सों में क्या कहा जा रहा है। हमारे 5 अलग अलग कॉरेस्पॉन्डेंट्स जो गए बाहर और उन्होंने लोगों से जानने की कोशिश की कि वैभव सूर्यवंशी को लेकर के उनका क्या मानना है, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है इस पूरे के पूरे मसले पर ना थोड़ा सा डिवाइडेड तो है देश। कुछ ये कह रहे हैं कि, अधिकतर ये कह रहे हैं कि वैभव सूर्यवंशी को मौका मिलना चाहिए, तुरंत मिलना चाहिए। और फिर ये भी कहा जा रहा है कि वैभव सूर्यवंशी को देखो 15 साल की उम्र में इंडिया की टीम में इंक्लूड कर लिया गया है और उसको मौका मिल जाएगा, तो सब्र रखिए। अब देखो 15 साल की उम्र में डेब्यू करने का मौका मिल रहा है, वो मतलब किसी के पुश से नहीं मिला है, वो उसने कमाया है 15 साल की उम्र में, सबसे बड़ी बात ये है। तो ये जो कमाई है ना, ये डेब्यू कैप में कब तक बदलेगी, ज़रा सुनिए कि लोग क्या कह रहे हैं इस पर, क्योंकि हम भी जानना चाह रहे हैं कि इस पूरे मामले पर जो हम सोच रहे हैं या जो बाकी लोग सोच रहे हैं उससे आप लोगों की राय कितनी मिलती जुलती है। सो एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम हम यहाँ से आपको अपडेट्स देते रहेंगे, लेकिन इस रिपोर्ट को
Everyone, welcome to Rev Sports. I'm Shorjani Chatterjee, and today I'm out on an interesting task. Now, with the recent India and England T20I series, we all have a lot of questions on our mind. The first question being, should Vaibhav Suryavanshi play in the place of Sanju Samson? Now, a lot of people have a lot of opinions, and today I decided to take a stroll in the streets of Calcutta and ask around people about their opinions. Please take a look.
I think we should really give the youth of the country more opportunity, and I think giving Vaibhav that opportunity is going to be better for the future of cricket in this country. He's a young player, he's an explosive player, he's getting his footing, he performed much better than Sanju in the IPL. So I think giving him the opportunity over Sanju is going to be a better precedent for the future of cricket in this country.
Any day I would prefer Vaibhav to play over Sanju for India, because the kind of intensity he brings in, the name itself creates so much of pressure on the opposition. I would definitely want Vaibhav to play for India, and I would go on to say he should play in any formats, be it ODI, be it T20, be it the Test. The more the guy gets the exposure, the better it is for him, and it will also work as an example for the rest of the players who are at his age aspiring to play for the country. So any day it is Vaibhav, not only from a cricketing point of view, but also from the other aspects, the soft part of the game that he brings into the game. That's what I believe.
I want Sanju Samson to play for India because he is a much more better player and he's also experienced. And Vaibhav Suryavanshi is just a youngster, like he's very new in the field of cricket. And yes, that's why I want Sanju Samson to carry on playing.
Hello everyone, you're watching Rev Sports and this is Simran Gupta. One name that's been on every cricket fan's mind is Vaibhav Suryavanshi, and everyone is debating over whether he should have his debut in the ongoing England versus India series. So let's hear what the fans have to say. Do you think Vaibhav Suryavanshi should debut in the ongoing England versus India series?
I mean, I would honestly say why not, because I believe right now, even if you look at the last IPL season, he has been proving his worth fearlessly. And if the only factor, I believe, if it's only age, then why not? Because if India actually gets someone who might or actually prove himself that he can play better than any of the Indian players there, why would you not select him just on the basis of age is what I don't get. So honestly, I believe he would kill it, and I wish he's there in the team.
What do you think of Vaibhav Suryavanshi as a player?
After IPL, I think he's a great opening batsman.
Okay. And with the England and India series going on right now, do you think he should make his debut?
Vaibhav Suryavanshi is really young and he's a great batsman, but I don't think there's a immediate necessary for him to make a debut. Although he is very talented, but he's also very young. So if he keeps performing like that, his Indian debut will come naturally. And whenever his debut is, I would really like him to play alongside Abhishek Sharma. Thank you.
Hello everyone, you're watching Ref Sports. This is Sudisha Sinha reporting from Mumbai. As we all know that the India Tour of England is going on, Vaibhav Suryavanshi, the 15-year-old sensation, has been travelling throughout with the whole Indian team. But we haven't seen him play even once. And there has been a lot of debates going on whether he should be there in the playing 11 for at least one match or not. And if he should be there in the playing 11, who he should be replacing is the question. So I went out here in Mumbai and asked out some of the fans what do they think about it. So keep watching the video to find that out. For Ref Sports, this was Sudisha Sinha. What do you think about Vaibhav Suryavanshi as a player?
Yes, Vaibhav Suryavanshi is a talented player, is a young player, and we as an Indian, we have a lots of hopes from him for our Indian cricket. And he is a really fantastic player, and we enjoyed him playing in the IPL. Now we hope to see play in international cricket. That is what we are really looking for.
I am totally agree with him. He's a really fantastic player with a good talent. He can hit any ball in any direction. So I feel he should be there in team.
So my next question is that right now India Tour of England is going on and he is there but he hasn't been given a chance to play yet. There are very senior players in the team also like Sanju Samson, Shivam Dube, there's Abhishek Sharma, there's Tilak Verma. So I want to ask whether he should be given a chance to be in the playing 11 for the next series or for the next match or not.
Of course, the answer is simple, yes. He should be really given a chance. Being a young, talented player for our India country, so he should be definitely given a chance, because if we give the opportunity to the young cricket, eventually it will benefit to our country, to our nation. So he should be definitely given a chance and let him perform, let him give the best performance of his life, and then later on it can be decided. This is how my personal opinion.
Perfect.
I also feel the same, and he must be given a chance. There is a series going on in England, as we know. So one match at least, so that he can prove himself.
What do you think? How do you like Vaibhav Suryavanshi as a player?
Vaibhav Suryavanshi seems to be a good player, the way he has batted throughout the under-19 and in other tournaments, especially IPL. So I consider him as a good player, and he has got a good prospects to go further in the Indian team.
Okay. And do you think in the going on T20I series, which is going on like India versus England, do you think he can be someone who could replace players, senior players like Sanju Samson, who have played for World Cup or for India for World Cup?
No, I don't think so. Vaibhav can replace anyone from a team who has won the World Cup, because we have seen Sanju Samson how he performed during the knockout matches. So I don't think that's a right approach at this moment. But surely he should be given more chances, and in future he can be part of the Indian team.
Okay, thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome to Ref Sports. I am Srishti, and the craze for Vaibhav Suryavanshi is really unreal all over the India, all over the world, in the cricketing world. So let's just hop into few of the fans' opinions on whether Vaibhav Suryavanshi should get his debut cap against England in the next match in Manchester or not, because everybody has been waiting for Vaibhav Suryavanshi's debut, but he hasn't received his debut cap yet. So let's just get a few fans' reactions on Vaibhav Suryavanshi.
तो सर आपके हिसाब से वैभव सूर्यवंशी को अगले मैच में डेब्यू कैप मिलना चाहिए या नहीं?
देखिए, बिल्कुल मिलना चाहिए। आप अगर देखा जाए तो इस टीम में अभी परफॉर्म की बात की जाए तो आईपीएल में भी सबसे अच्छा जितना भी सिलेक्शन हुआ है उससे ज़्यादा कोई रन बना के नहीं आ रहा है। और दूसरा ये है कि आप तिलक को आप हटा के सैमसंग को उस जगह पे रख दो, और आप ओपनिंग ट्राई करेंगे अभी, नहीं तो कब कीजिएगा? मान लो वर्ल्ड कप आ रही है, वर्ल्ड कप के लिए तैयारी करनी है तो होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि आप एक दो मौका नहीं दोगे। वैसे आयरलैंड में ही देना चाहिए, लेकिन नहीं दे पाए कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन इसमें देना चाहिए अगला मैच में, ताकि देखिए एक्चुअल आप ले गए हैं तो उसको भी कॉन्फिडेंस हो, और जो उसके साथ अभी फॉर्म है खेलने का कम से कम वो कंटिन्यू हो, और ऐसे में नहीं दीजिएगा तो कहीं ना कहीं डिमोटिवेट हो जाएगा। तो होना चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से बिल्कुल।
सर आपके हिसाब से अगले मैच में डेब्यू मिलना चाहिए या फिर आपके हिसाब से संजू और अभिषेक को ही ओपनिंग करनी चाहिए?
मैडम मेरे हिसाब से मतलब सूर्यवंशी को मौका मिलना चाहिए, और जो ओपनिंग है जो सैमसन है, संजू सैमसन, उनको आप जो तिलक के जगह वहाँ रख सकते हैं, क्योंकि आप जो बेस ले रहे हैं कि एक फ्यूचर देख रहे हैं हम, इसलिए हमने नया टीम बनाया है। तो सूर्यवंशी से बेटर फ्यूचर क्या होगा? वो बच्चा 15 साल का है, अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस देकर IPL में भी आया है, अंडर 19 में वर्ल्ड कप जिताया था फाइनल में, 175 लगभग रन थे उसके। इस हिसाब से मेरे हिसाब से उसको मौका मिलना चाहिए। आप सबको देख ही रहे हो, पूरा प्लेयर ऑलमोस्ट अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं कर रहा है, एक मौका उसको देकर देख लो एक बार। इंग्लैंड की पिच अच्छी पिच है, फास्ट रोड की पिच है, ये बेटर रहेगा मेरे हिसाब से, मौका मिलना चाहिए।
देखिए, एक स्टेटमेंट आया है जिसमें आप एक बात बताइए, जैसे कि कहा जा रहा था कि हम फ्यूचर लेके चल रहे हैं, जैसे अभी अगर बात की जाए, जैसे अभी स्टेटमेंट आया कि हम जो विनिंग है प्लेयर उसी को खेल दे रहे हैं पहले उसको, इसके बाद तो एक तो सूर्य कुमार को आपने डायरेक्ट बिना खिलाए सीधा कैप्टन से या वो प्लेइंग 11 से भी या क्या 15 से ही हटा दिए। तो चलो आप कह रहे हैं कि हम 28 तक नहीं देख पा रहे उसके, तो कम से कम 28 नहीं देख रहे तो फ्यूचर का भी सबसे ज़्यादा जो 15 साल या मान लो 16 साल, तो उससे ज़्यादा कोई फ्यूचर अभी प्लेयर नहीं दिख रहा है। तो उसको नहीं अभी दोगे मौका तो 2 साल प्रिपेयर तो करना पड़ेगा आपको जैसे भी हो, लेकिन देना चाहिए मौका।
Sir, according to you, should Vaibhav Suryavanshi play his next match against England or not?
हाँ यस, खेलना चाहिए, क्योंकि IPL में उसने बहुत अच्छा खेला है और सारे बच्चे लोग उसका वेट कर रहे हैं। और संजू सैमसन के पिछले 3 मैच से रन भी नहीं आ रहे अच्छे।
तो इसलिए आप चाहते कि वैभव को चांस मिले प्लेइंग 11 में?
हाँ।
So it's currently drizzling in Nagpur. It hasn't stopped raining since last night. Persistent rain, exactly because of which the first T20I between England and India, which was played in Durham, was washed out. Same is the forecast for the second T20I, which will be played in Manchester as well. As you can see, there are dark clouds above me. There are dark clouds that have followed India all the way from Belfast to Durham, now to Manchester. There is a forecast of rain. There could be rain showers. There could be a washout as well. But more than that, the dark clouds are hovering over the team management. Some decisions have been taken because of which in the series against Ireland has been lost. Now the biggest thing why the team management is under the dark clouds are hovering around over them is because of one question that everybody's asking. You go to social media, you go talk to people, they are only raising one voice, that why Vaibhav Suryavanshi is yet to make his debut when 3 matches are already played. And experts have given their opinion. Now it comes down to the people. Now we are going to ask some Indian cricket fans, what they think of this, and should Vaibhav Suryavanshi make his debut in the next T20I, which will be played tomorrow, or not. So first we'll ask the most seasoned one, the most experienced campaigner who has seen a lot of cricket in his life. So sir, what's your take? You have seen a lot of cricket. You have seen Sachin Tendulkar making his debut. I suppose now it's Vaibhav Suryavanshi. 3 games have gone by. He's on the tour. He's traveling with the team. He's practicing, but he's yet to make his debut. Do you think he should make his debut now?
Definitely. Actually, what I feel, he could have been given chance during Ireland also. See, he has nothing to prove. As a young campaigner also, if you see, he has made a lot of impact on the Indian cricket. If you see the Indian cricket diaspora, there is only one name that is on the name of every individual who loves cricket in India, and that is Vaibhav Suryavanshi. It is not because he has been, he's a parachute player who has been dropped from somewhere else, but from childhood only he has made his impact on cricket. Like his brother is also now making the impact. So, and he has nothing to prove, because at the age of 12, if you have tons and tons of runs with you, and then when you play the international player, when he's asked what is your aim, he says, I want to hit Bumrah on first ball for a 6, and which he did. And it is not only Bumrah. If you see the other great bowlers of the world, every bowler he hit the first ball for a 6. It's not a joke. See, if you see a player like Vaibhav Suryavanshi, like I always say, no player is made. If you talk about, you're talking about Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar guru is Ramesh Achrekar, but there is only one Shishya named Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar who has an impact on cricket. No other Shishya of Sri Ramesh Achrekar ji, I follow him a lot, I respect him a lot, but there is no other player beyond Sachin Tendulkar who has made an impact on. Similarly, if you take example of the greatest of right now, 18 number Virat Kohli. Now, the coach of Virat Kohli is Rajkumar Sharma ji. Now, if you see Rajkumar Sharma ji, he is coach of Virat Kohli as well, and he is coach to our bowler Ishant Sharma as well. So, a coach who has given bowling impact to Ishant Sharma, he has given the batting impact to Virat Kohli. It doesn't happen, you know. See, there is an internal talent, a born talent. So Virat Kohli is a born talent, like Sunil Gavaskar is a born talent. Kapil Dev, without a coach, is a born talent. Yuvraj Singh, you see him, he's a born talent. His father has done a lot for him. So if you see this tradition of Indian cricket, where every people are getting opportunity now, the greatest example is Vaibhav Suryavanshi. His father has made a lot and lot of impact on him. He has did lot and lot of efforts for him. So I think Vaibhav Suryavanshi was the first choice. It is not according to the great coach Gautam Gambhir. He is really a good coach. He is very honest too. But see, honest person, a very wise person, he is not always correct. So likewise, in not every matches he scored centuries. So same way, there are certain decisions. Seeing Sanju Samson's experience, he has done a lot of things without. You see in World Cup also. Before that, he was not performing well, but still he has been picked and he has made a huge impact on cricket. So it is not the fault of Gautam Gambhir as well to pick this chap Sanju Samson. Sanju Samson is a wonderful, wonderful batsman, but when the ball moves, he is into trouble. Likewise, if you see Abhishek Sharma, when the ball turns and grips, and if you bowl at his pads, that's the spinner, then see, he's a clumsy at that time. So likewise, but if you see Vaibhav Suryavanshi, the only shortcoming is the short ball at his head. If you bowl at him, that is the only and he goes for it. If he doesn't go for it, it will go for wide. He'll not get out. But any other ball, you just pitch him, he'll get you out of the ground. So picking up the talent by the Indian cricket team is a great achievement. But what I feel, it will be even better if you give that guy a chance in international cricket. If you don't give him that chance, then how will he will be able to prove? So the sooner you give him the chance, the greater it will be for him. So this is what my opinion. I feel that he should be given as early as possible. See, in last few matches, Sanju Samson is getting out. Abhishek Sharma is also getting out. In 2 matches, he batted well. Shreyas Iyer also got out in few matches. So that can happen to Vaibhav Suryavanshi as well. But it's a game. Even the greatest batsman Sachin Tendulkar was on duck sometimes. Virender Sehwag got out on duck many times. Rahul Dravid, VVS Lakshman, Saurav Ganguly. If you see the number of people, so they have got out. So if Vaibhav Suryavanshi gets out, it doesn't make any difference. But
the important point is to give him the cap.
That is what I am saying. No, not give him. Not give him. You are not there to give him. He deserves that. He deserves the cap. He is not. It is not to give him. He has earned that. He has earned that reputation. You see his IPL matches. You see the domestic performance. Wherever you had put him, you had given him the socks. His shoes have gone bigger. It is not the age. It is the impact that player is making.
And what do you think about this? Should Vaibhav Suryavanshi be making his debut in the next T20I, which is in Manchester?
Of course, yeah. Every cricket fan in India is pretty much disappointed with the selection committee right now, because last year से हमने देखा कि वैभव सूर्यवंशी IPL में जितना अपना इम्पैक्ट डाल चुके हैं, हम एटलीस्ट एक्सपेक्ट करते थे कि वो आयरलैंड टूर के टाइम सिलेक्ट होते टाइम ही उनको खेलने का चांस दिया जाए, बिकॉज उनको अपना टैलेंट डिस्प्ले करने के लिए कब मौका मिलेगा? यही सब टूर्स है जब हम उनको एटलीस्ट मौका दे सकते हैं कि वो इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे भी अपने पोटेंशियल को साबित कर पाए.
अगर यही सब चीज़ों में, इन्हीं सब गेम्स में उनको मौका नहीं दिया जाएगा, देन सिर्फ क्रिकेट फैंस के लिए नहीं, ये उनके लिए भी एक बहुत ही डिसअपॉइंटिंग चीज़ रहेगी, क्योंकि है तो वो आखिरी में एक टीनेजर। अगर उनको सिलेक्ट कर रहे हैं आप कमिटी टीम में एंड
एज वी ऑल नो कि वैभव सूर्यवंशी को अभी सिलेक्ट किया है टीम में, सो देखिए कुछ देर आर सम फैक्ट दैट कि आईपीएल में उन्होंने ऑरेंज कैप वन की थी, उन्होंने रोहित शर्मा, विराट कोहली इनसे ज्यादा रन मारे हैं, एंड आफ्टर सिलेक्शन वन शुड बी गिवन द चांस कि उन्हें अपना परफॉर्मेंस देने का मौका मिले। देयर शुड बी सम कैलकुलेटेड रिस्क दैट शुड गो, एंड सिलेक्शन होने के बाद उन्हें एक मौका मिलना चाहिए। डेफिनेटली ही इज अ यंग टैलेंट, तो I would love to see him playing because that's what make the things exciting, the match exciting, and this is the time that this is the perfect time that he should be given a chance. So I would love to see him. He is definitely
In the next game? Should he play in the next game?
Yes, for sure. He is selected, so he should be given a chance right immediately in the next game. So yeah, I would definitely love to see him playing.